Electricity's emergence marked a significant milestone in the dawn of modern civilization. No matter how small it begins, every electrical connection has the power to engineer something bigger. Therefore, the establishment of a secure and dependable electrical connection is imperative. As a leading player in the high-end cable connection industry, MELEC was founded in 1992 and established as an integrated manufacturing enterprise, specializing in R&D, production, sales, and service of cable accessories. With a manufacturing center located in Qidong, Jiangsu Province, spanning across an impressive area of 48,000 square meters, and a sales center in Shanghai, equipped with a professional sales and service team. MELEC currently employing over 500 dedicated professionals and has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certification. Recognition from customers serves as the impetus for our relentless pursuit of progress. Throughout the years, MELEC has consistently delivered stable and reliable cable accessories and connection systems. Our expertise lies in cable lugs and connectors, low-voltage aerial bundled cable accessories, heat-shrinkable and cold-shrinkable cable accessories, as well as other electrical connection fields that encompass medium and low-voltage power distribution networks and new energy industries. We're dedicated to providing reliable and comprehensive power distribution solutions along with integrated services for our global customers. In recent years, MELEC has expedited the renovation and upgrading of equipment by incorporating advanced wire cutting machines, CNC machines, automatic installation lines, and other first-class equipment. We continuously optimize the production process to enhance efficiency through automation while maintaining a high level of intelligence. As a high-tech enterprise committed to specialized technical research, MELEC boasts an accomplished R&D team comprising experts in independent research and design, mold making, and experimental verification. Since 2005, we have established a high-standard R&D test center, which obtained ISO 17025 laboratory accreditation certification in 2016. All our testing standards adhere to both domestic and international norms. Now we have a series of product testing capabilities, such as electrical aging test, tensile test, swing test, underwater voltage withstand test, salt mist test, impulse voltage test, high voltage cycling test, and so on. MELEC has successfully passed IEC, NFC, GB, DIN, EN, and other international standard tests while securing 122 patents consecutively. The principle MELEC adhere to is that quality control awareness is integrated into every production link, ensuring a high standard of product quality and strict control over the production process, equipped with advanced ERP system traceability to achieve the integration of system operation, business process rationalization, management improvement, and sustainability. Our products have been exported to 95 countries and regions worldwide, catering to over 1,000 domestic and international customers. MELEC embrace the changing times and strive for the leadership of electrical industry.